Hello everyone, I'm Aleyna. My project Nera aims to upcycle sawdust waste into exterior building panels to improve the energy efficiency of the buildings. Sawdust is usually utilized in the construction industry to produce MDF and plywood panels, but the remaining quantities are discarded to water bodies or landfills. This actually poses a threat to soil and marine life. I know that construction sector is responsible for almost 36% of CO2 emissions. At Nera, we mix sawdust with eco-friendly binders and additives to create a material composite that can be extruded through robotic arms. I believe the construction industry can become even more sustainable through the use of these technologies, integration of novel and nature-based materials, as well as understanding the whole life cycle of the buildings, designed and built for all the buildings.